as Chinese localities and enterprises ramp up efforts to ensure the supply of fever and cold drugs to meet the needs of people infected with COVID-19. Drug delivery companies in Shanghai are operating 24 hours a day to accelerate the delivery of medicines. At the number 2 warehouse of Shanghai Logistics Center of Sinopharm Logistics, the receiving area is filled with medicine boxes that have just been unloaded, including analgesics and antipyretics.
我们这里仓库呢，大概现在储备的是大概33万件左右，每天进出的话呢是4.8万件。然后我们这里主要储备的药品呢是一些常用药和一些现在疫情用药。然后呢，另外配备了4到6台的是应急的车辆。当一些比较紧俏的一些药品，当医院有些需要紧急订单的时候呢，我们会启用这个应急小组来应对这个紧急的配送任务。像仓库这边呢，我们现在是等于是24小时轮班制。
Since the beginning of December, this warehouse alone has provided more than 3 million boxes of medicine to meet the rocketing demand of medical institutions at all levels in Shanghai.